30 36 new COVID-19 cases in Karnataka. The total numbers now stand at 1,092. 496 people have been discharged, 559 active cases, and 36 people have been declared dead. 14 new cases in Bengaluru. All cases from Shivajinagar are secondary contacts of patient number 653. The total number now stands at 216. Total discharged cases are 115. Active cases 93 and 7 people dead in Bengaluru. State to take final decision on lockdown 4.0 and to announce new guidelines. Relaxations likely in green and orange zones. Rules not to be eased in containment zones. Public transport likely to resume. BMTC, metro, autos and cabs likely to be given permission to fly. Malls, multiplexes, theatres, hotels, bars and pubs are unlikely to open. State government to take decision after consulting with centre. Hundreds of residents of Annapurneshwari Nagar protest against authorities. Locals angry with officials for quarantining people at a students' hostel in their locality. Shramik Express train to leave from Chikbanawara to Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Rajasthan migrants in city arrive in large numbers at palace grounds. Officials to ferry them to Chikbanawara railway station. Lockdown 4.0. Centre plans tougher curbs for 30 zones as India overtakes China in COVID-19 cases. 30 municipal areas have been identified in 12 states where maximum rules will be imposed. Biggest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra. 1,606 cases reported in the past 24 hours. Maharashtra crosses 30,000 mark and continues to be the worst affected state in the country. (90,927) positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 53,946 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 34,019 people have been discharged. 2,872 people have died due to the deadly virus in the country so far.